Alright guys, welcome to another video. Now, in the last video, I talked about how you can create your own website in Systeme.io, and I showed you every step that you need to create your website in under 5 minutes, right? But in that particular video, I was not able to show you how to edit this website. So let's go into it and let me show you how you can edit and customize a website to your own taste. Right now, if you go onto the blog side, this is the website aspect. The blog is a website. So you click on the blog, it will open all the various websites you have. So the one that we're working on is this particular demo website. Like I said, if you've not watched that video, go and watch that particular video on how we got here. Then you can now learn how to customize the website. But if you already know how to create a website in Systeme.io, then you don't have any problem. By all means, continue to follow this guide to see how to edit and customize your own website. Now we're going to click on the demo website here. When we click, we will see everything that we have on the website. Now, but before we click, it is advisable we just click on this view blog. The view blog is going to open on a different interface for you when it opens, so that you can see what you actually have, everything that you have on the template that you selected as your own website. Because our goal here is to come in here and change the information, because we love what we have here. We actually love the arrangement. What we don't want right now is the pictures and also the write-up. And that is basically what customization simply means. Because like I said, this is a drag and drop tool. You don't even need to do anything, because once you select the interface, the structure of the website you want, all you need to do is to just change the articles, the write-ups, and the images, and voila, you are good to go. So let us go do it now. Let me show you how to customize the footer here. This is the footer, how you can change these images, and how you can actually change the content. All this part here is the content. From here upward, you have all the content, right? So let's go into it. In our back end, we're going to see these three things. Okay, first of all, what you want to do right now is you want to go and customize the posts, right? You want to customize the post. What is the post? All these things here are the posts. All this content here, this one here, all these things, these are the posts. You want to change the articles to your own article. Now let's go and work on that first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 articles here, 6 posts here. So what we want to do now is we can just click on this one here and it will open. Once it opens, in the editor, we'll be able to actually change everything inside of it, the content. So like I said, we like the arrangement, we like everything, but what we don't like is actually the post content. So now we want to change each and every of the posts. How do you do it? Everything here is drag and drop, very easy. Just click on this heading here. It will allow you to actually edit everything. Can you see? All right, so what you want to do now is you want to edit everything you have here. This is the title. This is not where we edit the title. I will show you where to edit the title. But when it comes to this section right here, we can edit it here. We just click inside of it and our editor will pop up here. We can see all the write-up. You can just highlight here, delete, put your own write-up, then go to every of the section here, delete everything that you have here. You can even delete everything and just put your own section. Let me show you how to do that. You can just click here, come here, say I don't want everything that is here. You can just the section here, this whole part. You can say I don't want what is here, I just delete. I don't want what is here, I delete. Yes, I delete. The picture, I don't want the picture, you also delete the pictures, right? You delete the picture, boom, picture is gone. You can Ctrl Z, bring it back. So now if I want to put my own text, all I need to do is to come over here by the left hand corner. I will see options, text. I just click here, drag the text and drop it right here. Say I want to add the text right now. All I need to do is to drag this right here. You can see if I hover here, I have option to drop it here. This place, if I hover, I have another option to drop it here. I just want to drop it here. I will see this text here. Click into the text, highlight, write whatever thing I want to write inside of it, and voila, I'm good to go. If I want to create another text, I just need to duplicate. I don't need to keep dragging here. I just duplicate here and I can have another place to put my write-up. If I want to change the headline, I want to make this bold, I can just come here, look at font size and all that. I can highlight here and click bold here, italics, underline. I can use all these things here, right? So what about image? If you want to work on image, you click on the image. When you click on the image, it's going to show you the link to the image at the left-hand corner here. So you can just delete it and upload your own email. As simple as that, right? Just delete what you have here and click on this button, give you option to upload your own image. If I don't want to upload my image directly, let's say I have a URL, a link of an image somewhere, I'll just bring it here, paste it right here, and the image will appear here. Then you also have some customization when it comes to what you need to have on the image. You have alternate text, you have the option of full width for the image. You just click, look at the image size, you can drag, increase it, reduce it, everything that you want to do. You can align to the left, to the right, to the center. All the settings here are all about the image, so you can see every one of them here. You can select how it looks on mobile and how it looks on the system. That's for the image. What else? All these things are just text. If you want to do it, I already show you. Just pick a text, copy your write-up, just paste it here, and you are done. The same thing here. If you have a different type of write-up, copy it and paste it. The same way you handle image everywhere is still the same way. So you can see we're good to go. Then here is a preview. There's a way to link your social media platform and everything will appear here, and you can see we are done. This thing here is a section for the footer. This is not the place where we change this. Here is just to work on the articles only. Now let's say we are done with our articles and we can just click save. Right, when we click save, it will save our article the way it is right now, or our post. We can now exit this particular interface. When we go back, remember I told you that you cannot change the title of your article inside of that particular place. Let me show you where you can change it. This is the articles here, right? If I come to this place here, I will just click settings. Under the settings, I will see the article title here. This is where you can change the article title. I can come here, a short description about the articles. I can add them here. That image that we saw at the top, this is where to add the image here, and you save. Now you can add the category to which this particular article belongs. Is it interior? You can have same article appear in multiple categories, right? So when you are done, you just click save. That is how you edit your categories and your article title. Now if you want to edit the body of the article or this post, you can literally click here, just this place here, or you can go to this place, edit. If you click edit, it will take you back to that particular editor, the interface of the editor again. You see, we are back here and you can see the title here. Like I said, we can't change the title from this place. We can only change it from that particular settings area. And this particular image, we can't change it from here. We can only add it from that settings. Then from here, everything here we can change down until we get to the footer, which is this place, right? This is clear now. This is how you edit your post. Everything easy, drag and drop. You have all the elements. You can change how it looks, how it feels. You can play with it anyhow you want. Now the second thing you want to look into here is to look into the pages. Now for the post, all the same way we did this one is the same way you are going to do every other post on your website. The next thing here is the page. When you go to the pages, what you will see is everything that you have on the page. Let me show you what this thing means. That page here, we are talking about home, contact us, articles, and about. Now when you click contact us will be open for you. You will see what is contained in contact us. This is contact us here, right? This is everything we have in contact us. Let's go back to the back end. Let's say we want to edit what we have. Let's go to contact us. If you want to edit, you can either just click here and it will open for you to edit the contact us area. The same thing, how you edit contact us is how you're going to edit everything, homepage and everything. So you see information here, just click edit contact us now and you see it. This is just normal write-up. Just copy and paste. You already have all your information, copy them and paste them. Here you just put the information here. Then this place here, let me show you this place. You can get them here. Now let's say you are looking for name. This is when you want to write. Let's go out. Yeah, you want to put this particular field here. What you need to do is to look at this place. You see your element, just scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see form. Under the form, you will choose what do you want to add on the form. Look at input, look at buttons, look at checklist. Input here, this is it. So let's say what we want to add is input. How do we add our input? We will just drag here and drop, and we will have our input. So when we have our input, to click it, we will select what type of input. Here you choose select type of input. Is it a city? Is it a name? Is it email kind of input? Let's say it's an email. If it's an email, then you see this place will change with an automatic placeholder for you. You can change the color, change anything. The same thing for everything, the same thing. But you will not need to do all these things because you already have the template that comes with how you want your contact us form to be. So you don't really need to change anything here if you already have it. But if you want to change for one reason or the other, that's how you do it, right? You just go select the full, you just go to this place here under elements, scroll down, you will see form, choose what looks like what you are looking for. You have the button, you have the checkbox, you have the contact us, all these things you just drag and drop. You will see the type, click on it, and it will give you option to change the type. Look at this is levels here. I can just change it and I have levels. C'est bon. When you're done editing, you click save. After saving, you just click exit and it will take you back to the main interface. So the same way you edit your posts, I just showed you for posts, now I'm showing you for pages. All the pages are all the same thing. You don't need to do anything special on the pages. If you are wondering how do you do the same thing for your homepage, because your homepage have more designs, it's just the same thing, guys. The same thing, nothing much. You click on it, it will open the same interface for you. Then you go to your homepage. Got it? This way you see all the image here. See, you can literally select how this whole thing appear. The orientation on your homepage. This is your homepage design. See, you click, show you everything that you have here. Just look at it. Look at the settings here, how it's all displaying. This is the box here. If I click here, I can just change the information. Click, everything here is click, 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 click. Here is a button, right? You can see this is how the blog post appears. This is the sample of how everything is going to show for you. So you can choose to duplicate this and make it 3, make it 4 rows. So all your articles will just be appearing here according to what you have here. Let me duplicate this row. If I duplicate it, I'll have this one here. I will see have this one again before I now see this. A different design. So this is just the basic design. In case you want to change the structure of the design, you don't like the structure, the outlay, the layout, this way you change it. You edit everything here. You can change even the image. Look at the image, click here. You can change the image that you have here. Then you can change all these things here. Look at them. Look at this image here. Look at the right up here. Look at this other image. Change everything here. Literally everything. If you want to leave it, fine. So you just choose. What do you want? It's all about what you want. If you know what you want, you'll be able to do them here. You'll be able to sort them out. You'll be able to fix them right here in Systeme.io. So that is how you edit your homepage. Once you're done editing the homepage, you just click save and exit this interface and you are done. Everything, as long as you can click and it shows, you're able to edit it. Now we have the last part here, which is the category. In the category, this is where we select the various articles, which category they are going to belong to. So we can create a new category or we edit this existing category. Each category, you can see how many blog posts you have. Total of blog posts here is 6. Each category, you have 2 blog posts. How do you arrive here? You just click create. You can delete all these things. Name the category and say demo cards. Go to the next one. This will be the part, which is the URL description of the category. I will say put it back here. It's going to be demo. What is the SEO so that the category can start getting search volume from Google. So you do the SEO here, put the title that you want, put the description so that it can have the SEO value. If you can do this, you just click save. Once you're done saving, look at I've created another category. This is it. And anytime I'm creating article, I will just select, let's say I'm creating a new blog post and I put the name of the blog post, which is demo, description is demo, everything demo. I just select my image here. I will select which category. You can see where my category is. I just select demo category. Click here and it will be added to it. Now I can see if I go back to my category, I can see that in my category I now have 1 post. In this demo category, I have 1 post. So can you see? I have 1 post now. Easy peasy. If this thing is too complicated for you, feel free to watch this video again so that for you to get it. But if you think, you know what, this is a waste of my time, I have better use of my time than this, Henry, just go ahead and work on my website, get it done for me, or my landing page. Why not? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a beautiful job for you. when it comes to this whole stuff. So that is how you literally work on your website and you fix everything on Systeme in just templates, right? You can do it from ground up or use the template and you're good to go. I have a free template that I've designed already for you, well optimized. You can go click the link below, you can download it and use it for your own self and just customize the template and you are good to go. And I also have a video showing you how to customize it, so it's a breeze. So go and get it done. If you've not watched the first video, go and watch the first video, and this is the second video. And if you are catching this whole stuff and you are enjoying it, just watch my playlist on Systeme.io, everything about Systeme.io, where I discuss everything around tags, pipeline, email, automation, products, sales funnels, transactions, payment, integrations, everything about Systeme.io. Click on the playlist and watch it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.